I'm Dr. Joe Griffith, owner of Accessible Hearing Aids, and I have the great pleasure to bring hearing back into your life. Today I want to talk about noisy workplaces. If you're exposed to loud noises through your work, speak with your Human Resources Department manager. Your employer is obligated to make changes to reduce your exposure to loud noises. Here are some examples of how your employer can make your workplace more hearing friendly. They could potentially switch you to a quieter equipment if possible. They could make sure that you're not exposed to loud noise for very long periods of time. They could provide hearing protection such as earmuffs or earplugs, potentially both. Make sure that you're wearing this hearing protection if you were prescribed it by your employer. The Better Hearing Institute actually has found that workers who have a hearing loss can potentially make up to $12,000 less annually than those who have normal hearing. So hearing protection is vitally important. If you're concerned about your hearing loss due to loud or excessive noises, call me, 504-738-4557. Or you can visit us on our website at accessiblehearingaids.com. Think about it. You're just one phone call away from hearing help you need and deserve.